Are we making rows, Daddy? I see like a little trench down the right there.
Trying to get everything loosened up one more time so I can make rows.
Yeah.
With the broad fork.
Here's the row we got done. We have one row done now. I think we're planting peppers here, I'm not sure. But there you go. Actually two rows.
Hey guys, we're here working on the garden for our fall garden. It's taken a lot of steps to get this area ready. We had the chickens penned up in this area for a while, the very first. And then we added mulch from time to time. And then we moved the chickens off and we put tarps down to kill the grass. And we have broad forked this area. I think this is probably the 4th or 5th time just to get the soil good and ready. And it makes me think a lot about Jesus talking about the parable of the soils. He talks about the soils. Man goes out to sow seed. He's casting his seed out. Some of it falls on a path. Some of it falls on rocks. Some of it falls into thorns. Some of it falls into good soil. And I always thought about that good soil. I thought, does that just mean we're already good? Like, some people are good, some people are bad. Some soil's worth it, some soil's not. And I think I had that all wrong. So I was out here preparing this garden, I realized good soil is the soil that's like worked and tilled, weeds pulled out, roots pulled out, rocks pulled out. It's cultivated so that when the word does come, it has a natural place to take root in the soil of your heart that you've prepared for the Lord. Anyway, just a quick little thought as I'm gardening.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Lily Crawford, and I like playing in the
It's in a row with that paper. I'm gonna help her and put you all on timeline. The final, well, it's not exactly final product, but if you can see, we did 4 more rows of paper. We're gonna be planting stuff there. Still have to put paper on these, but we'll be doing that soon. So we have all the rows planted except for these 2 rows. These 2 rows right here. That's going to be our other stuff that have to be grown, or not grown, started inside. So yeah, we finished our project. It's so dreamy.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.